market structure is not when market breaks above higher high or breaks below lower low. This is what market structure is all about. So if you want to know what market structure is, then watch this video to the end and listen carefully to it. So after watching this video, you will have to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me in my TikTok account, because I'll be dropping my strategy for free. We don't have to pay for it. You will learn everything you want to know about technical analysis, then go and sort yourself out in terms of discipline, because technical analysis is not the problem of trading but yourself, and I cannot teach you how you behave. So what I will try to tell you, to teach you a strategy that works for me. So here, let's first of all start from market structure. So market structure is not when market breaks above higher high or breaks below lower low, but when market breaks a valid entry point. That is when we mark out your market structure. Let me repeat: when market breaks a valid entry point, that is what we call market structure. So let me show you an example in the chart. So you will see here now, many traders we mark this thing as market structure, but this is not the market structure. This is the market structure. Why is here the market structure? Because why here is market structure is because here was another internal bullish setup, and it came back to retest it from here. You can see this thing. So it was supposed to move up, but because the market is generally downtrend, it cannot move, it cannot continue uptrend. So it pushed more and came back. This thing break here. Have you seen it? This thing now break here. So that is why it is break of structure. So you know, in SMC trading strategy, any pullback after break of structure is the liquidity. So if here was the break of structure, here would have been your liquidity and here would be your entry. But see, if you choose here as your liquidity and entry, here it will take you out. You can see I don't want to talk about liquidity and entry here. So if you want to learn about those things, you will have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, for I'll be dropping everything about trading there. So you have to subscribe and follow up, so you will learn trade for free. The one I can do, because I cannot teach you discipline, but I can teach you technical analysis from the basic market structure to the entry level. Hey, but you know, if you don't have discipline, you still don't make money in the market. So but you have to do my own part, that is teaching you what I know. So market break of structure is not what you think, because when you spot market structure, when you spot the valid market structure, to find your liquidity will not be a problem, and if you find liquidity, to find your entry won't be a problem too. So what matters, what determines your success in the market after discipline is BoS. So that's how you have to be careful and try to learn it more than every other thing. So let me show you another example. This sell example. So you can see it was still selling until here. So here again is internal bullish structure. So the market were supposed to tap here, to tap this thing and keep moving up, but because it is still bearish, it cannot continue, so it came back here and break it. So here is the market. Here the market were supposed to tap here again and keep moving. I be here, but it broke it. So that is why the market came and test this other block and sold. So here when it sold, this is another valid sell setup, but here broke it. So and you can see it tested here again and move forward and form another valid buy setup again, because it's now the lower time frame now is now bullish. So here, if you read this internal liquidity again as I read here, you can still see that here is another broken demand zone. Here is a demand zone, but this thing broke above it, and this is the pullback. This is the first pullback it did after this thing, which becomes liquidity. If you want to learn about liquidity, just follow me on TikTok and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll tell you why here. Is liquidity, so that whenever you see the reason for liquidity, you will not have to cram when you see only this thing, because liquidity occurs in every area. But if you know only this thing, you will only cram this one when you see this one before you enter trade. But if you know the reason for the movement of the market, it will not hurt you. So what you have to do for me, you just need to subscribe. So that is so BoS is just simple. If you know it, it's not simple for everybody. So this is BoS here. So if I choose here above here now, this here would have been my liquidity, and here my entry. Maybe the market will come and take me out if my SL is, but I'm looking up to here now. I'm watching here to continue the buy. So I cannot trade this setup unless it came. So that is what I want to say about the market wake-up structure. I don't like this video, comment and subscribe for everything about technical analysis for free. My account is new account, so if I didn't see much follower or subscribe, I will not send anything again here. So thank you.